Hi my YouTube family, this is Melody from Home Garden and Fashion. I thank you so much for being here today. Today we're going to have a wonderful time together. Hi, today we're going to do another side dish. I hope everybody is doing okay. So this side dish is very easy to do it, and it takes about roughly 15-20 minutes. So you can add this recipe to your 30 minutes dinner cooking quick. So I'm just gonna add about 1 to 2 tablespoons of olive oil. So you can just add 2 tablespoons of olive oil on this pan or whatever you want to bake. So this is my baking pan, and I'm going to oil it nicely with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can add any kind of oil you wish. And then I have one 16-ounce pack of frozen cauliflower. You can take regular cauliflower, a head of cauliflower, and this was actually cauliflower, broccoli and carrots. So I separated the broccoli and carrot. I might have few pieces of broccoli here and there left because this is, I just wanted to make the roasted cauliflower with grated Parmesan cheese. So just with the cauliflower, but you can make the same recipe with broccoli, I'm sure. And because anything you just roast it with garlic and add Parmesan cheese will definitely taste good. So I'm just gonna add all the cauliflower to it, and then after that salt it very lightly, because as you know the cheese has a lot of salt, so just give very little salt if you have to. So little bit of salt, and you can add 1 tablespoon of olive oil on top if you just add 1 tablespoon at the bottom to your baking pan or pot. And now I'm going to add to it some salt, 2 cloves of garlic crushed, and some pepper and some red chili pepper like paprika. And then I'm going to bake it in the oven for 10 to 15 minutes until the cauliflower is cooked, but do not cover it, just bake it just like that. And cauliflower is going to get little bit of like brownish, and then I'm going to add just a half cup of grated Parmesan cheese. Some people add breadcrumbs and all. I didn't, so I'm just going to add little bit of Parmesan cheese for baking, and then a little bit more at the end, add it, and then put it one more time inside. So just roughly say all together I used half a cup, so 1/4 cup for baking, and then take out again, add 1/4 cup and bake one more time. So just add the Parmesan cheese, and then add salt and pepper and paprika, and you can add anything like oregano, basil, anything you wish. So I added just few basic things, and it turned out really awesome. So it turned out so good, it's like so tasty. And then I added some more of the grated Parmesan cheese and baked it again 5 minutes, and this is the final outcome. Must try it. Altogether took only 15 minutes. So here it is with rice. It tastes really awesome. So just try it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. I'll see you with many more. I might add this egg video too. Thank you. Hi, thank you so much for being here today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share this video. Thank you. May God bless you all.